Here we are on the edge of the James River underneath the railroad bridge, and there's a ton of butterflies here. Just look at them all swarming around. Dave's making a video too. I'm probably going to get in his video. There's a bunch right here at my feet. They're little blue ones. And then they, come on guys, look at that. Those are pretty, huh? But these guys over here, I can get down here without stepping on them. Just having a good old time. This is better than the butterfly garden we went into last week. And there's the James River, and there's the footbridge we're going to go across.